Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to find all your reviews on Facebook using your PC, following the latest update. Whether you're looking to manage feedback or simply review past comments, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, locate your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This will open a menu with various options. Next, select Settings and Privacy. From there, click on Activity Log. This section is where Facebook organizes all your activities, making it easy to access specific information. Once inside the activity log, look for the category labeled Your Facebook Activity. Under this section, click on Posts. This will display all the posts you've interacted with or created. Now, scroll down and click on Reviews. This is where Facebook stores all reviews you've left or received. You'll be able to see them neatly organized in one place. Take your time to explore and manage them as needed. And that's it. You've successfully found all your reviews on Facebook using your PC. Be sure to check back regularly to stay updated on feedback from others or revisit your own reviews. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you, feel free to share it with friends or colleagues who might find it useful. Have a great day.